years anniversary too. I'm a child that was at Dabala. Yes, celebrate you. Melaleke edawo walato afi ovasu anuga egbia. Mele ekhlege. Mele nu viale poge ato muti. Agbe kaka ele ayevuo opegbemu kama mi nuledama. Celebrating 40 years of excellence, growth, and legacy. Honorable Chair, special guest of honor, Togbio, Mamao, distinguished guests, media presents, ladies and gentlemen, I am honored to stand before you today to celebrate our remarkable 40th anniversary. Under the theme, the importance of vocation skills, particularly hairdressing. Today, we are gathered here to reflect on our journey, to celebrate our achievements, and look forward to the future. Honorable Chair, in 1983, our late mother, by name Master Victoria Joko, who lived in Accra and decided to come back to Dabala in the South Tonu district in the Volta region after working for so many years as a hairdresser. She decided to assist young women who came from the area to learn hairdressing job in Dabala community and other areas. With the aim of building the skills of the youth who want to be trained as hairdresser, and that was wake-up call by her to assist the youth in their vocation skills. Honorable Chair, when our late mother, Master Victoria Joko, came to Dabala, she didn't open a salon immediately. She started service gradually from the house. As she continued working as a hairdresser in the town, it sends a great signal to many youth from far and near to that period that she began. Some of the youth approached her to learn the hairdressing vocation as they see it to be a great and unique opportunity. Among the first people who made the attempt to learn the hairdressing vocation is our late mother's direct sister, Alberta Joko, and some few friends. Honorable Chair, as of many youths who went into the apprenticeship under our late mother, Victoria Mansa Ajoko, was Alberta Ajoko, the direct sister who saw a good opportunity she brought to the people of Dabala and South Tonu at large. Though Madam Victoria Mansa Ajoko was the first person who brought hairdressing vocation into Dabala in the district, but after some few years, Madam Rebecca Ngutako and Mrs. Mary Keteku also came to establish the same hairdressing vocation in Dabala, and they become 3 madams. Honorable Chair, today we are proud of current achievements. Our team has worked tirelessly to reach this point. We are grateful for the support of our partners and stakeholders who share our vision. As it stands now, hairdressing vocation has become a lucrative skills across the globe. Honorable Chair, in the process of the hairdressing establishment in the district, precisely Dabala, they came in association called GHABA, Hairdressers and Beauticians Association, GHABA, into South Tonu exactly 25 years ago. South Tonu was the only district which includes Adidome, During that time, there was no North or Central Tongue. The association GHABA came to Dabala in the South Tunnel to meet our late mother, Master Victoria Achoko. She been one of the oldest and experienced hairdresser. When GHABA came, they approached her to lead them to Sogagobe, the district capital, to confirm their acceptance into the district. But Sogagobe was the district capital, which still remains today. GHABA came with intention of putting all hairdressers and beauticians under one umbrella to work productively. Honorable Chair, our late mother was accepted as a member among the executive of GHABA. After some years, she realized she was aging, so she asked Alberta Achoko to accept position from association. Later on, the district was divided into two, South Tongue and North Tongue, which Sogagobe became a district capital for South Tongue after some years. We now have Ghana Hairdressers and Beauticians Association, Sogagobe branch and Dabala branch. Honorable Chair, in the year 1999, Hairdressers and Beauticians Association celebrates their first anniversary. After the anniversary, the vocation continued, and Sogagobe district realized that the population at Dabala qualified them to be on their own in 2006. In the same year, the executive from the Sogagobe capital came to commission Dabala Hairdressers and Beauticians Association, Dabala. So by then, GHABA was already being in existence long time ago. Our late mother and other madams started organizing all hairdressers at Dabala, and thus made the hairdressing very popular in the district. When the association was founded officially as Dabala, Madam Alberta Achoko was appointed as the president, and Madam Rebecca Teko as secretary, Madam Esther Elagwe as organizer. Honorable Chair, though the efforts of our late mother, Hairdressers and Beauticians Association is established as Dabala till today. Honorable Chair, as we look to the future, we are committed to establish a hall which can occupy at least 3,000 participants, and we also committed to create more awareness on vocation skills, hairdressing. We all continue to innovate, adapt, and strive for excellence. Let us work together to build a bright future and work. Hard work is a crucial work at demands and youth who cannot go to school, or those who go to school but are not employed to involve themselves in learning hairdressing. Honorable Chair, hairdressing is kind of job that brings money into people's pockets all the time. Hairdressing is not limited to only females, but the opposite sex can also learn it. If you travel outside the country, or if you visit some parts of the country, it is men who own big salons. We put it upon ourselves to invite all persons, either male or female, to come and learn hairdressing as a profession. It doesn't matter your background or qualification. Our late mother, Victoria Amansa Ajoko, is no more among living today. May her soul rest in perfect peace. Honorable Chair, I want to use this media to appeal to the government to reduce electricity bills and water bills to enable us to do more and save more money from our vocation. Electricity and water bills have gone high, which is making it difficult us to save money from our hard day working. We call on the media to serve as a voice to carry the message to the appropriate stakeholders, especially the government, to consider the inflation by reducing the dollar to make it easier for us to perhaps our equipment without overstressing ourselves. When you go to the market today, and just the next day, the price of the goods and service keep increasing, and this is making difficult for us to buy our equipment. Honorable Chair, the inflation rate is making it difficult for many workers to come and work. Any government in power now or coming into power should try and work on the currency stability to enable us mention costs to avoid losing our customers. The more the dollar go high, the more we are also forced to increase the price of our service. In 2012, throughout 2015, the NDC government led by Excellency Atamils and John Mahama brought youth employment initiative to support the youth and was very helpful. Most of the youth benefit through the initiative. Through the youth employment program, the less privileged we able to learn hairdressing free of charge. Honorable Kobra Mensa Woyome also lobbied for hair dryers to be given to the apprentices who pass out during the side period, and most of them receiving it successfully. We are very grateful. In conclusion, our 40th anniversary celebration not only our past achievement, but also our potential for future growth. Thank you to everyone who has contributed to our journey. Let us continue to strive for greatness inspired by our founders' vision and our collective passion. God bless you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.